This is ASUS UX430U model, and as you can see here, this is the BIOS page, and we are about to reinstall Windows 11 in it. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the correct BIOS settings to enable USB boot to reinstall Windows 11. First things, I'm going to connect the charger. I'm going to connect the USB into any USB port. Okay, and I'm going to press and hold to shut it down. In case if you're on the wrong page, then I'm going to press the power button, keep pressing F2. As you can see, the illustration is quite better than ordinary page because this is called EZ mode. Okay, and if we press F7, it's going to go to traditional way, which is called advanced mode. So from here we're going to change character settings. First things that we're going to go to advanced option. From advanced option we need to go to USB configuration. From USB configuration, make sure legacy and USB mass storage driver support enable. Press yes once. Then go back to set configuration. Make sure that is HCI, which is only one option at this moment. So we do that. Then we press yes once. And then we're going to go to NVMe configuration. And it shows which NVMe is there or not. Okay. And then if you press enter again, it's going to go back. Now we're going to jump into boot. From here, as you can see, it says first boot is Windows Manager, but we're going to change into USB, and then second boot automatically goes to the internal drive. Or if you would like to add another new boot option, you can do that, or if you want to delete it, you can delete it, but we don't need in this case. So you're going to go to security. From here we need to go to secure boot, hit enter. Make sure you enable the secure boot. Once you do all this is fine. Plus you can change the boot settings by pressing F7 like that. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, like that. For example, drag and drop. So you're going to keep the USB UEFI as the first boot. Pretty much that's all. Now we're going to save it by F10. Now it's going to restart. From here we're going to change, for my case, United Kingdom, which is just right above the United States. Hit next. Accept the terms and condition. Now we're going to delete everything. Okay, so I'm going to delete, but if you delete you're going to lose the data, so be careful. It says zero drive 0 means there is only one drive. I don't have important data, so I'm deleting. As you can see here, single partition, I'm going to hit next. So finally, it seems the Windows installation is successful. So if you do have any question, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.